In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upgrade to Grammarly Premium. With just a few simple steps, you'll be able to enjoy the comprehensive suite of tools that Grammarly Premium offers to enhance your writing experience. So let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your preferred web browser and click to navigate to Grammarly's official website. Once you're there, if you already have an account, look for the I have an account option and click on it. This will direct you to the sign-in page where you can log in with your credentials. Simply input your email address where prompted. After that, click on the Continue button to proceed. Once you've successfully logged into Grammarly, you'll find yourself on the Grammarly homepage. From here, navigate to the top right corner where you'll find your account settings. Click on your account profile where you'll see different sections such as Profile, Subscription, and more. Next, click on the subscription section within your account settings. Here you'll see details about your current subscription status. Look for a button or link that says something like Get Started or Upgrade. Clicking this will guide you to the upgrade options. Now it's time to decide on the subscription plan that fits your needs. You'll likely be presented with a few billing cycles to choose from, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Consider what works best for you and make your selection accordingly. Once you've chosen your billing cycle, the next step is to handle the payment details. You'll be asked to select your preferred payment method. Options generally include credit card and other secure payment gateways, so pick the one that you're most comfortable with. If you're opting to pay via credit card, you'll need to click on credit card and fill in your card details. This usually includes your card number, expiration date, and security code. Ensure that you've entered these details correctly to avoid any issues with processing your payment. After everything's filled out and you've double checked all the information, you're ready for the final step. You'll see a complete purchase button. Clicking this will securely process your payment and activate your Grammarly Premium subscription. And there you have it. With these easy to follow steps, you're now upgraded to Grammarly Premium. By doing so, you're unlocking advanced features that can help you write more effectively and efficiently. Whether you're drafting an important document, writing an email, or working on creative writing projects, Grammarly Premium has tools that can make a significant difference. I hope this guide helped you through the upgrade process. Enjoy the enhanced writing